Breezeway has helped us improve communication with our property owners, in tons of different ways. So we have, we started with property-specific requirements. All of our homeowners, each of them is different and own their homes for a different reason. So, we've been able to customize property-specific things that are important to owners. And it can be anything from something as small as, watering the orchids on every turn, to little, making sure the fire pit cover is on and making sure that we're counting each of their Sonos speakers and where those are located. So, we always talk about pre-COVID and post-COVID, but, there weren't a lot of softwares available pre-COVID. Breezeway had been around for several years prior to, and we were just, using the ops software that came with our PMS system. And we were constantly having issues, as we grew and we're trying to scale, we were having issues, scheduling maintenance techs in the field. Our techs were having issues using the software that we were using before Breezeway in the field. We had efficiency problems, our checklist standardization. We didn't have anything to kind of manage that and manage our cleaning and inspection and brand standards. So those were probably the biggest issues that we were dealing with before we switched to Breezeway.